Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Walking and Talking. To give you a little update of my situation. Today is my birthday, 9/11, and I'm 32 years today. What I'm gonna do today? Actually nothing, but working in my home office. Yeah, and I've got my e-scooter. It was actually a birthday gift of my mother, and I'm thankful for that, because I wouldn't buy me such stuff like that. It's a Profiti e-scooter, and that makes fun. It's really fun. And I will take you with me when I've got my attachment. I ordered it from eBay, but it's not arrived yet. Yeah, and still I'm practicing my English skills to improve it, get better and better. Watching Netflix at night. I found a new series which I like. It's cool. It's with action. It's a little bit gangster stuff. I never thought I would watch this, because it's with girls, only with girls, and yeah, I love girls, but I thought it was a girl series or something like that, so I can practice, because the girls always talking so much, and you can learn a lot of pretty woman. Yeah, the name of the series, how do you call it? Series or series? Write it in the comments below. What I'm watching is Good Girls. Yeah, the name is Good Girls, on Netflix. It's very entertaining and funny. It's action, funny, and yeah, you have to check it out. It's pretty entertaining, and I can learn English from them. Because sometimes I watch movies and I can't understand what they are talking, because they have a slang. Sometimes very hard. But Good Girls, they talk good. I guess because they are good girls. Yeah. Here's the this is for the I don't know the word right now. I heard it in this series. I heard it. What was the name of this? Where the old people live? When the old people, when your parents get old and they can't do stuff alone, what do you do with them? You bring them here. They take care of you. Oh man, I thought I could say you this word, but I forgot. Yeah, so much words I'm learning. And again, this is the first video of a long time ago. It's a long time ago that I make a video. This weather is very strange, because it's warm and rainy. Yesterday it was warm too. And what is the other day from yesterday? Before yesterday? Write it in the comments below. I would love to know that. Because yesterday is in German gestern. Und before gestern, it's vorgestern. So do you call it before yesterday? Or what do you say in such moments? And I will love to ride with you the e-scooter to show you Berlin, especially Potsdamer Platz, Brandenburger Tor, such things you know from the media and from the movies. I would like to show you. And by the way, when I say something wrong, please write it in the comments below. I want to learn. I want to learn from my watchers and subscribers, okay? And anyway, I have 20 subscribers. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny because I'm walking around and trying to speak English. Oh, it's so warm. Yeah, maybe you can recommend some series of Netflix. When I'm finished with Good Girls, maybe I will watch your stuff. Yeah, but you have to check it out, Good Girls. It's like Orange is the New Black at the beginning, and it's a little bit of Breaking Bad, if you know this. But I think you know that. It depends where you come from. Where do you come from? Where do you watch this video right now? What time is it? I would love to know. It's very interesting for me. You can never stop my curiosity. A helicopter. Yeah. That was my short video. I just wanted to talk to you because maybe some people are thinking, oh, this guy, he's gone. He's not talking anymore English. He's a dumb ass bitch. But no, I'm not a punk ass bitch. Yeah, such words I learned from Netflix too. Yeah, I'm still there and I will always be. When I'm not there, you know, I will come back. It's never over. So see ya. I hope you subscribe me if you haven't already. Actually, I never mind, but now I lick blood. 20 subscribers. Wow, I'm famous right now. Hit the subscribe button. Bye.